The Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, whose party is the third largest in Parliament, wrote to the Prime Minister today opposing his endeavour to promote Hindi as the government's official language on social media. And Jayalalitha was not alone in her criticism. And in an attempt to quell the anger, the centre now says the circular was meant for Hindi-speaking states.
There will be a backlash in non-Hindi states, especially Tamil Nadu.
Senior Congress leader from Tamil Nadu, P. Chidambaram, warning the centre to be prepared for a backlash against its diktat to all bureaucrats and government departments to use Hindi first in all official tweets and posts. Tamil Nadu Chief Minister Jayalalitha has shot off a strongly worded letter to the Prime Minister, saying the government must modify the instruction to ensure that English is used on social media. This is a sensitive issue, and it causes disquiet to the people of Tamil Nadu. The NDA's own allies in Tamil Nadu, the PMK and MDMK, today condemned the push for Hindi, with the PMK chief saying in a statement, imposition of Hindi unacceptable. Declare all 22 languages as official languages of India. DMK chief Karunanidhi was the first to slam the move yesterday, warning that language battlefields have not dried. Experts caution the BJP should take lessons from neighbours.
Pakistan paid a big price by trying to promote Urdu in Bangladesh. Sri Lanka, they tried to, stamp out minority languages.
The Home Ministry advisory has touched a raw nerve not just in Tamil Nadu but also in the Hindi heartland of Uttar Pradesh and Jammu and Kashmir.
अपनी भारतीय जो भाषाएं हैं हिंदी के अलावा तो उनको भी हमें इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए.
एक ज़बान एक तरह जो है लोगों पे ठोस नहीं सकते हो.
Against the principles of linguistic equality.
But the BJP is so far unmoved by the build-up of protests.
क्या देश की राष्ट्रभाषा हिंदी नहीं है? मेरे विचार से तो हिंदी है. जिस प्रदेश सरकारों की बात करें प्रदेश सरकार वहां अपनी भाषा को बढ़ावा दे.
The Modi government's Hindi priority order has certainly triggered a wave of perceived threat for regional languages. The big question, with an absolute majority, would the BJP want to pursue this firefighting or use it for development? In Chennai, with camera person Sukumar, Sam Daniel, Find TV.